Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful designs, very stunning videos. And this video is all about the crochet scattered dresses. Crochet scattered dresses are amazing, are fabulous, and you will be amazing, gorgeous. Stay will be connected and more fantastic videos. I want to share very beautiful designs ideas, and this is so amazing. Scattered frocks. Scattered frocks are 2 colors combinations and 3 colors combinations designs. And different types of videos. You will be amazing and stay will be connected. For more creative scattered frocks are using different types of things, different types of designs. You will be amazing, you will be stay connected, and different types of scattered frocks like one colors combinations are totally videos, totally designs, and every different topics, every different designs of elegant videos. You will be stay connected, and are you there? And every type of designs are different feedbacks, different designs. Keep more fabulous, keep more stunning, just looking gorgeous, and more creative videos. I want to share very beautiful designs ideas and just looking videos and more fantastic videos designs. And different videos, and I will be back in this channel, so I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All subscribers will be amazing videos and are more gorgeous designs. And basically you have to share attractive things, designs, and attractive ideas. So elegant, so gorgeous, just looking fantastic designs, fantastic videos. I am waiting for this comment, so let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channels, in these stunning, these creative and fabulous videos.